Whew, it's cold in here.
I know, but I just can't afford to get a new furnace right now.
You know, you should call 4Seasons Heating and Cooling. They'll do a deck test to find out where the cold air is coming in from. If you do need a new furnace, they have 0% financing for 60 months.
Thank you so much for that referral to 4Seasons Heating and Cooling. Not only did they install a new furnace, but they also sealed my ducts, so I'm actually saving on my energy costs.
4 Seasons Heating and Cooling. Less hassle, more comfort.